Realme Pad Review. It was only natural for Realme to launch a tablet. It may have all started with smartphones, but Realme quickly harnessed its popularity and released a number of headphones, watches, TVs, vacuum cleaners, power banks, even a laptop. And that's why it was all but surprising to hear about the Realme Pad. Just like Realme smartphones, its first tablet is all about getting the most bang for the buck. And the Realme Pad does look incredibly promising. The pad has a sleek aluminum unibody housing a 10.4-inch display, 4 Dolby Atmos speakers and a large 7100 mAh. Works with Android 11 with a reworked Realme UI for Pad. The Realme Pad is a cheap tablet, about $190. It is a robust multimedia device with a large enough display, a great speaker setup, dual SIM LTE capabilities, a 3.5mm jack, a micro SD slot, fast 18W charging for the adequate battery, and a clutter-free interface, of course. Realme Pad specifications at a glance. Body: 246.1 by 155.9 by 6.9 mm, 440 grams. Glass front, aluminum frame, aluminum back. Display: 10.40 inches IPS LCD, 360 nits, TYP, 1200 by 2000 px resolution, 15:9 aspect ratio, 224 pixels per inch. Chipset: MediaTek MT6769V, Cu Helio G80, 12 nm, octa-core, 2 by 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 6 by 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55, Mali G52 MC2. Memory: 32 GB 3 GB RAM, 64 GB 4 GB RAM. OS software: Android 11. Rear camera: 8MP. Front camera: 8MP, 105, ultrawide. Video capture: rear camera, 1080p at 30 fps, front camera, 1080p at 30 fps. Unboxing the Realme Pad. The Realme Pad ships within a tablet-sized paper box. Inside you will find that pad itself, a USB cable, and an 18W charger. You will also find the SIM, micro SD ejection pin inside one of the paper compartments. Design, build quality, handling. As budget as it may be, the Realme Pad design is everything but cheap. Starting with an aluminum unibody with elegant chamfers, then the welcoming 10.4-inch screen, through the CNC-made speaker grills. And finally, an impeccable balance of weight distribution and measurements. Yes, the Realme Pad's design is a job done really well. Realme is selling the pad in gold and gray. Both have aluminum bodies with a brushed finish that keeps fingerprints and smudges away. The front is flat, home to the tablet screen. The back is where most of the design effort went, and it's beautiful in its simplicity. The metal back is perfectly flat and has two visible things. Most of the front is taken by the 10.4-inch IPS LCD screen of 1610 aspect. There is only one other feature of interest at the front, the 8MP camera for selfies and video calls. It's an ultrawide snapper that fits a lot in the frame and probably one of the very few on the market with such a lens, group video calls. The back has another 8MP camera, this one for the occasional photo and video. It's a tiny camera, yet it's jutting out a lot. There are 4 symmetrical speakers on the Realme Pad, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. They sit behind large grills and support Dolby Atmos. The top also houses the power lock key, while the bottom has the USB-C port and the 3.5mm jack. The left side is completely bare. The volume key, 2 microphones, and the hybrid card slot are on the right. The card tray accepts 2 nano SIMs on the LTE model, but you can swap one of these for a micro SD card. We enjoyed our time spent working, browsing and watching videos on the Realme Pad. It's a balanced tablet with a great grip and premium feel. This, and the lightweight design helped for a great experience, and it has the thumbs up from us. Display. The Realme Pad employs a 10.4-inch IPS LCD screen of 2000 by 1200 px resolution, making for 16:10 aspect ratio and good 224 pixels per inch sharpness. The screen is covered by a flat tempered glass. Battery life. The Realme Pad is powered by a 7100 mAh battery. The capacity seems adequate even if it's not the largest we've seen. For comparison, the Apple iPad 10.2 model packs an 8827 mAh cell. Charging speed. The Realme Pad supports 18W fast charging, and its retail bundle contains such 5 volts 2A, 10W, 9 volts 2A, 18W power adapter. It's not that fast, but it shouldn't be a slouch either. The 18W charger refills 23% of the pad's dead battery in 30 minutes.